Hello dear students, today we analyze this continuous beam by the slope deflection method. Now this is the span ABC, subject to pointed at in the AB span and moment in the BC span. Now the first step that we already know, that is the KI, kinematic indeterminacy, that here is the possibility of rotation, here rotation and here the rotation. So KI is equal to 3 and that is a slope at A, slope at B and slope at C, that already we have discussed the Ki in the previous lectures. Then the second step is to find the fixed end moments. So consider the span AB. So consider this span as a fix and apply the load here at this location. So we know already we have discussed this in the fixing chapter. So this will produce the fixed end moments like this. So this we called as M bar AB and this we called as M bar BA. So here M bar AB, that this is the anti-clockwise, so minus the formula is WL by 8. So if you put WL by 8, so that becomes a minus 20. Then M bar BA, that is the plus, because this is the clockwise, this moment is the clockwise, so plus W into L by 8, so that is equal to plus 20 kilonewton meter. Then the span BC, so now this span is important because this is having a couple, so this is having the anti-clockwise couple. So always anti-clockwise produces the anti-clockwise fixed moment and clockwise produces the clockwise fixed moment. So here this produces the anti-clockwise, that we know. This is the B and this is the C. So this becomes M bar BC. The formula for that, this is the anti-clockwise here at B, so this is a minus. Formula is MB divided by the L square into twice A minus B. This is the A and this is the B. If you put the value, so this is becomes the 0. Then M bar CB, again what, this is a anti-clockwise, so this is minus M into A divided by L square into twice B minus A. If you put the values at MA in this equation, so this becomes the minus 16.67 kilonewton meter. Then the next step is to calculate the slope deflection equation. This is the equation. Next step. Now the span wise, span AB right here, I is equal to 2I, L is equal to 4 meter. Delta, how delta calculated? Always span is AB, so the preceding end is first and following end is the next. So delta B minus delta A, so that is equal to 0. Now we know the equation MAB here. So here is M bar AB plus twice EI by L into, here is first letter is I, so there is a twice IA plus IB minus, we know delta is here 0, so this value is 0. Now this and this value is not 0 because these are the unknowns, not 0. So put here the values. M bar AB is minus 20 plus 2 E, I is equal to how much here is 2I, so put here 2I divided by 4 twice IA plus the IB, so finally becomes minus 20 plus this becomes the 2EIA plus EIIB. The next is MBA, so that is equal to, we know this is starting BA, so right here the M bar BA plus twice EI by L. Here is first letter is B, so write here twice of that letter plus I minus 3 delta by L. We know here delta is equal to 0, because delta is 0 here. IB and I is are unknown, so M bar B is plus 20 plus 2E. Here I is equal to 2I, so put here 2I, L is equal to 4 twice IB plus IA. So this becomes 20 plus 2 EIIB plus EII. Equation number 2, suppose this is equation number 1. Then we go for the span BC. Now span BC is I is equal to 3I, L is equal to 6 meter, and delta. How delta is calculated? The preceding end C. So delta C minus the following end delta B, so that both value is not given here, means 0. Then MBC. So right here the MBC, so M bar BC plus twice EI by L into twice IB plus the IC minus, we know this is the value 0. Now IB and IC, these are the our unknowns, not the 0. So IB and IC is there. So M bar BC 0. So here becomes the 0 plus 2E. Here I is equal to 3I divided by 6 into twice IB plus IC. So this becomes the 2 EIIB plus the EIIC. Then MCB, that is M bar CB plus twice EI by L. Your starting point is the C, so write that is a twice plus IB. We know delta is the 0. Here IB and C are the unknowns. M bar BC is from here minus the 16.67 plus 2E. Here I is equal to 3I. So 3I divided by 6 into twice plus IB. So this becomes minus 16.67. This equation number 3 plus this becomes 2 EIIC plus EIIB is equation number 4. The next step is to apply equilibrium condition. How much is? These are the conditions. A, B, C. Sigma MA is equal to 0, sigma MB is equal to 0, and sigma MC is equal to 0 as per this KI. If this is IA, so take sigma MA. Here is a B, so take sigma MB. Here is a C, to take the sigma MC in this way. So sigma MA is equal to 0, sigma MB is equal to 0, and sigma MC is equal to 0. Apply the one by one here. Sigma MA is equal to 0, means at the moments these are the meeting at the joint A is 0. So at A is how much? Only the MAB. So MAB is equal to 0. So MAB, that is equal to the 0. So AB is how much? AB is the minus 20 plus 2EIA plus EIIB. So that is equal to 0. So this becomes 2EIA plus EIIB, that is equal to plus 20. So this is our equation A. The next condition is sigma MB. Sigma MB is equal to 0. So at MB means joint B, how many movements are here? At the B is BA is one movement and BC is another movement. So here we can say that MBA plus MBC, that is equal to 0. So MBA is 20 plus 2EIIB plus EIIA. This is a BA, then BC is here, plus 2EIB plus EIIC, that total is equal to 0. So it becomes EIIA plus 4 EIIB plus EIIC, that is equal to, this becomes minus 20. So this is our equation C, BB, equation B. Then apply condition sigma MC is equal to 0. So again, if you look here at the point C, how many movements are only? The CB is only the one movement. So MCB so here MCB is equal to 0. So MCB is how much? Minus 16.67 plus 2EIIC plus, so we can say that EIIB plus 2EIIC is equal to 16.67. This is equation C. So equation A, equation B and equation C, if you put in the calculator, so we'll get here EIIB is equal to 16.38, then EIII, which is IA, which is not is IA, then IB, that is the minus 12.77, and last is the EII once here ABC. So that becomes 14.72. So put this value into equation 1, 2, 3. Now if this put this value in equation 1, 2, 3 and the 4. So final moments are the here MAB. So MAB is equal to minus 20 plus 2EIIA plus the here minus 20 plus 2 into EII is how much? Is 16.38. Then EIB is minus 12.77. So this becomes the 0. And why 0? Because this end is a simply support. So this value is 0. This should be the 0. Now we calculate here. Then put same MBA. How much BA is? 20 plus 2EIIB plus EIIA. So 20. Here 2 into minus is what? Because that IB is the minus. So 12.77 plus the 16.38. If you calculate this value, so this becomes 10.84. Now same way, if you put the value of MBC equation, that MBC is here, MBC, that is 2EIIB plus EIIC. So 2 into this minus 12.77, then plus EIIC, how much is 14.72. So it becomes minus 10.84. And last M, the CB is equal to minus 16.67 plus 2 into EIC is 14.72 minus this 12.77. So this becomes the 0. So in this way, these are the bending moment. Now if you plot the diagram, bending moment diagram, to consider each span as a separate span and draw the free bending moment diagram. Here consider AB is a separate, BC is a separate. So here is WAB by L is what? WAB by L. This becomes 50, and here is like this. So this height is the 16.67. This creates sagging, and this becomes the, that you know, 33.33. This is plus minus. So these are the free bending moment diagram. Now superimpose here the fixed BMD. Now we know this AB 0, then CB, this is 0, and now at BA and BC magnitude is the same, and both are in what? This is now. How to apply these moments? Now BC is a clockwise, means like this, and BA is clockwise and BC is anti-clockwise, means like this. So here both movement are creating the hogging movements. So the point is above the line here. Okay, that how much is 10 point something, means at something here. So join these points like this. So this becomes your, so this is minus, this part gets the cancel out because of this common, and this part is minus. In this way, this is the final BMD, and this point is the 10.84. This is 16.50 kilonewton meters. Thank you.